Hi, so in this video we're going to put in some VBA that allows us to automate all the headers on the tab. So all the different sheets that you've set up margins for, I'll show you how to automatically put a header on all of them. And in this particular case we're going to be putting the date in the header. Whatever the current day is, that's what Excel will put. So if you happen to be working on it one particular day, then you finish it in a week's time, run the macro again, it'll update all the dates. Okay, so we'll go to Developer, Visual Basic, and add a new module in. We'll just call it add HeaderWithDate or something. I think that sounds reasonable. Okay, we'll use the width function because just like in the last video, we're doing 3 potential operations with the one object. So with ActiveSheet.PageSetup, so in this case we might put it at the top right hand side. I think that would normally be the best place for the date. Okay, so by putting in the formula and D, saying and the day, so it'll put in the particular day. There's other formulas you can put in if you want other things. But also, unlike the last video, we won't be using a text box. The reason being because this has a formula that gives you an exact value, so you don't need one. Like, if you're writing a particular thing, a text box is useful. In this case, all you need is the current date in your header on every page that you're working on in the tab. Okay, so we'll end the width function. And let's see how it goes. Put some typing in. Now, macros. Add header with date. Okay, let's see what it did. Okay, so there you go. Top right hand corner. It's got the exact date. I happen to be doing this video on the 15th of November, so that's what it's got. It's still got the footer from the last video. So once you've got some code like that in there and set it up as a macro, it's easy to run whenever you want to update dates in your headers. And I can think of any number of real-world situations where you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to do that. So I hope that's something that you can put to use, and that in the course of working with Excel that you'll use many times, and that it'll save you a lot of tedious manual work.